But we'll start with the rubber mallet. We pound it a little bit. It's not cracking. It's not scuffing. You give me, Angel, grab me a tissue, please, or a rag. So, I mean, I'm not being soft on it. You can see it's holding up pretty dang well. Let's stick that over there. Let's try this one. So this is a regular, just a little bit more metal. So if anybody asks you about durability, I mean, it's rebounded right off this. It's not even getting a scuff, really.
No.
You know. If people want to take their knife and they cut on it, and I don't recommend this, you will eventually scratch it. You know, we can just, when I hit it, I'm getting little tiny scratches. I can't even barely feel it with my nail. It's like a scuff. Obviously, it points a little bit more.
Most people wouldn't want to do that to their knives.
Yeah, literally. I mean, so we're really clearly abusing it. And then the other thing is, if we just take this and set it on fire, so you'll get a lot of people that ask about, hey, can it do heat?
Now
and
it's a
stuff
party.
like that. You know, this is probably not a great idea for a wood shop.
If you set like a hot pan. If you
It's
set a
nice
hot
hot
pan on it,
day
is it gonna
inside
melt
the
it?
wood shop with sawdust everywhere. Let's light stuff on
Oh,
fire.
we got stuff.
We got a
Nobody's
lot
a
of
fire
water.
marshal, are they? So they got a full fire on there. Just blow it out.
You gotta be against me.
Oh, sorry, Cuba. Was that you?
Basically, once the stuff
Will that
cures,
flame
it's
right on
pretty
you?
solid.
Yeah. So this is a 30-day cure. So we just
Even a hot pan being set on it when
feel that. That's hot.
Nice.
That's from that fire sitting on there, right?
It's heat on
Yeah.
short.
So as you can say, it's pretty durable, right?
So if a house catch fire, the tabletop will...
Yeah.
I know. Let's try it. Who's got a house we can burn down? So that's that. I mean, if anyone asks you about durability, you can say, hey, look, I went to this lunatic in Las Vegas and he lit the